Hi students, welcome back to online classes. This is Christopher sir. So today we will going to discuss addition. The second chapter, addition. So in this class we are discussing mathematics class 2 addition. So before starting this addition, let us review our previous knowledge. Previously, what we know about addition, let us revise. So here some diagrams are there. So observe carefully. Here some parts are kept, kidney parts like, okay, and here also some kidney parts are there, and here also is there. So I will count for you how many kidney parts are there in this box. Let us count together. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total how many are there? 5. So we can write 5 here. Plus, what is this? Plus. We read this symbol as plus. And here we have another number of parts. Let us count this. How many? 1, 2, 3. 3. Let us write here. Is equal to, this symbol is equal to. We have to read is equal to not. Is equal to. 5 plus 3 is equal to how many? So we have to count this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8. So when you observe clearly, if you count this and this, you will get this number of parts. Let us count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So total 8. So in this, we call this symbol as plus sign. What is that? Plus. We have to read this symbol as plus, or you can also say sign, plus sign. And what about 5 and 3? 5 and 3 are addends. What is that? Addends. 5 is a addend and 3 is also addend. So 5 and 3 are addends. Okay, you can write here, and 5 and 3 are addends. Then what is 8? Okay, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So this is we call mathematically sum. What is this? Sum. We have to write the result 8 is sum. We have to read sum, S-U-M, sum. 5 is addend, 3 is also addend. The result what we are getting total, that is sum. Okay, do you understand this? So we have two addends, then when you add two numbers, you will get the sum. Okay, let us see some more examples. Observe here clearly. 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5. 20 after 5 we have to add 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So what is the sum? 25. So here 20 and 5 both are addends and 25 is the sum. Okay, 20 is addend, 5 is also addend, and 25 is the sum. Okay, let us take one more example. 8 plus 1. Okay, 8 plus 1, we know that 8 plus 1, 9. Let us take one more number. 8 plus 1 plus 3. 8 plus 1 That means 8 after 9. Okay. 9 after we have to add 3. 9 after 10, 11, 12. Okay, do you understand? So 8 after 1, 8 after 9. 9 plus 3, that means, so when you add these two, you will get 9. So we have to add 9 and 3. 9 after we have to count 3. 9 after 10, 11, 12. So we got the sum is 12. So here we have 3 addends. What is that? 8, 1, 3. So when you add these 3 addends, you will get the sum 12. Okay. So like that you can add any numbers. Then what are the numbers we are adding? They are all called addends, and the total what we get is sum. Okay. So now let us discuss some properties of addition. Let us see what are the properties of addition. So we have to know these properties. So if you know these properties, you can do addition very easily. So what are those properties? Let us see. First one, property 1. Property 1. Properties is nothing, just rules. Some rules, if you know some rules, we can easily add numbers. Without adding also we can solve some problems. Okay. So let us see rule 1. For example, we have this side 6 balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 balls are there. Now we are adding 6 balls and 3 balls. So add 6 plus 3. So how many balls are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here 6. And here how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3. 6 plus 3. Total how much we have to count here? Again once 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total how many are there? 9 balls you have to draw here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 is equal to 9. Okay. Now we will do another method. First we will take 3 balls this side. 1, 2, 3. Plus. Now you can take it here 6 balls. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here how many? 1, 2, 3. So write here 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here 6. Okay. 3 plus 6. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total again we got 9 balls are there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total how much? 9. Again count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you observe here, the sum is 9. This is 9. The sum is 9. Here also the sum is 9. Okay. So if you observe clearly, we are adding in the first time 6 plus 3. 6 balls we are adding to the 3 balls. Okay. 6 and 3 balls. So we are adding 3 balls to the 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Here 3 plus 6. Okay, you are adding 6 balls to the 3 balls. 6 plus 3 is also equal to 9. So what do you observe from this? You are taking same number 6 and 3, but you are changing the order. You are changing order. First you written 6 plus 3, next 3 plus 6. That means any two numbers, if you take any two numbers, if you add in any order, you will get the same result. That means the same sum you will get. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 6. So you can write here 6 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 6. Okay, 6 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 6. For example, 6 plus 3 is equal to, here box is given. So in this box, what number we have to write? Because this is equal to symbol. That means left side how much is there, right side also same thing. So 6 plus 3 is equal to box plus 6. That means in this box we have to write 3. Okay, 6 and 3 only. So we have to write 3 here. So like that sums you will get in exercise. So you can simply write. If it is given 3 and here box is given, means you can write 6 like that. So left side how many numbers are there? The same numbers will be in a different order. So this is the property 1. Okay, let us see second property. Property 2. So here let us take some flowers. Here we have 5 flowers are there. One, two, three, four, 5. Okay. Plus here let us take 2 flowers. Plus, okay, this side we can take, maybe we can enough 1. Okay, this is 2. Here you can take one more flower. 1. So here how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here 5. Plus, okay, plus how many flowers are there here? 1, 2. 2 flowers are there. We'll write keeps here 1 only. So is equal to how many flowers? Let us count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this side we will get 8 flowers. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 more, 8. Okay, is equal to 8. So while doing this 3 numbers, first we have to add 5 and 2. These 2 numbers we have to add first. Okay, let us add these 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means we got 7 flowers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, total. First we are adding 5 and 2. Okay, so 5 plus 2. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 7. Plus one more flower is there. So you can add afterwards. So 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is equal to, again we got 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 8. So we have to draw here 8 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is equal to 8. So here if you observe, first we are adding 5 and 2. 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Then 7 plus 1 will get 8. So 8 is the result. Okay, so this is one method, and you can add another way also. First you can add these two. 2 plus 1 you can add, then the remaining, the result, that means the sum, you can add to the 5. So like that also, let us see. First 5 flowers keep here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So keep here this 5, and this 2 we will add. First 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 flowers. 1, 2, the third one also right here. This is 2 plus 1. We are adding. Total how much? 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So total we have to count 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to how much we have to draw here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again we got 8 flowers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, the result is 8. So if you observe clearly what happened here. Okay. So first we are adding 5 and 2. Then we are adding 1. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. In another way, so keep 5 aside. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So like that you can add. So from this, what do you understand? If you take 3 numbers, 5, 2, 1, 3 numbers, any 3 numbers. So if you add in any order, then the result is same. For example, you can write like this. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to. Okay, so first we have added 5 plus 2. 5 and 2 we are added. So keep in bracket plus 1. That is equal to 5 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, so this is second property. So first 2 numbers you can add, then the sum plus the third number you can add like that. Or first number you keep side and second number, third number you can add first. In the bracket 2 numbers are there. You add these 2 numbers, then the sum will be added to this first number. Then you will get the same result, that is 8. Okay, so like that you can add. This is a second property. So next property, the third property, let us see. Property 3, third property. So this is very important and very easy property, third property. For example, we have two boxes. Observe carefully. We have two boxes. How many boxes? Two boxes. So we have to add these two boxes into another box. In these boxes we have some balls. So this here 4 balls are there in this first box. How many balls are there? 4 balls are there. Right here 4. In the second box there is no balls. So that means 0 balls are there. So we are adding 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0. Then you can write the total balls in the resulted box. How many are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus here nothing is there. So you can write again the 4 balls in the third box. So result is 4 only. So when you add 4 plus 0, you get the same number again 4. That means if you add 0 to 4, you will get the 4 only. Then you can do in another way. Let us take 2 boxes again. First box and second box. This is the result box. So first box there is nothing, 0. In the second box there are 4 balls are there. How many balls are there? 4 balls are there. So here write 4. 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is equal to, we have to count this ball and this balls. How many here? 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 4 balls again right here. That means when you add 4 to the 0, you get 4 only. So from this, what do you understand? When we add a number to 0, you will get the number itself. Or when you add 0 to a number, you get the number itself. That means any number, if you add to a 0, you will get the same number. So from this 2, you can write like this. 4 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 4. That result is 4 only. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 0 plus 4 is also 4 only. So if you write another number, for example here 8 plus 0, how much? 8 only. Or 0 plus 8 is equal to 8 only. So this is property 3. Okay, clearly observe and you can understand. This is very easy. Okay, if you add 0 to any number, you will get the number itself. If you add any number to 0, you will get the number itself. Let us see property 4. Property 4. So here we have 2 boxes again. In this first box we have 5 balls are there. How many? 5. Plus another box, here we have only 1 ball. Okay, then we have to add these 2 and you can keep in the next box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1 here, 5 out 6. So how many total? 6 balls are there. Okay, so 5 plus 1 you get 6. 5 plus 1 you get 6. That means we are adding 1 to a number. Okay, 5. You are getting the next number 6. In another way, you can take one ball in the first box plus in the second box you can take 5 balls. Then add how many balls you will get. Here 1, here how many 5 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means here 6 balls are there. You have to draw 6 balls. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Okay, observe clearly. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 1 plus 5 is also equal to 6. So from this, what do you understand? If you add 1, okay, if you add 1 to a number, you will get the next number. Okay, so here we are adding 5 plus 1. That means we are adding 1 to the 5. 5 after which number? 6. So we are getting the next number 6. Okay, so like that we are adding 1. So we are adding 1 plus 5. That means we are adding 5 to the 1. 1 plus 5. That is equals to 6 only. Okay, like that you can take another number 6 plus 1. You are adding 1 to the 6. You will get 7. Or you can add 6 to the 1. 1 plus 6 is also 7 only. So from this you can understand that add 1 to any number, you will get the next number. For example, add 1 to the number 10. Which number you will get? 10 after 11. Add 1 to the number 9. Which number you will get? 9 after 10. So like that. So this is property 4. We have 4 properties. If you understand these 4 properties, you can solve the problems like this. So many problems you can solve. It is very easy. So try to understand, watch again and understand. Then after you have some problems to do for exercise purpose. So listening, writing, then we have to practice. Okay, then only there will be a use. So for practice purpose, you have page number 95. Fill in the boxes. Okay, 2 are there. I will show in the screen. You can see this page number 95 and complete this and send to me. Okay, take a picture clearly without to blur, then send to me. If you have any doubts, you can message me. Thank you. This is for Christopher sir. If you do not like and subscribe, subscribe and like. Thank you. We will meet again in the next video. Bye bye.